Relationship intelligence is insights about your professional network that drive how you find, manage, and close deals. From day one, Affinity automatically captures data from your email and calendar interactions to populate organization and people profiles across your team's collective network. Additional insights like phone and chat history can also be added using our API capabilities. Enriched firmographic data covering 100 different categories is then synced with your team's entire network and corresponding activity history, while every relationship is analyzed and given a relationship strength score, allowing you to discover new opportunities and identify teammates that can provide the strongest warm introduction. Within company and people profiles, you can see everyone your team is connected to, where your best connections lie, and quickly engage with your strongest allies to assist your outreach efforts. Activity timelines provide a history of team interactions like meetings, emails, and messages, and can be combined with your introduction history to influence your next move and ensure you aren't crossing wires with ongoing deals. Affinity ensures that your relationship intelligence follows you where you need it most. Our Pathfinder and email extensions allow you to access relationship context from your inbox, or instantly discover intro paths, review existing team activity, create or read notes, and update lists from any website. Gain actionable insights and efficiency through your virtual Zoom meetings with Affinity Meetings. Affinity Meetings connects with your network and relationship intelligence to offer streamlined communications alongside the ability to review and sync notes to your Affinity CRM and review historical interactions directly from Zoom. So you have the context you need in key moments while saving time on post-meeting work. You can even leverage your network outside your organization with Affinity Alliances, which allows you to connect with trusted contacts like external partners and investors to unify and expand your network and increase your opportunity to unlock new deals. Relationship intelligence provides a frictionless, single source of truth for your relationships within and beyond your Affinity CRM. Learn how to harness your network to find, manage, and close deals faster at affinity.co/demo.